How to fix SIM not working or showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Let's get started. Start with a simple restart. For that, you can launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option Shutdown, given at the very bottom. You'll get the slider. Slide that icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next, carrier settings updates are essential for your SIM to work properly. To check that, head towards the option About. If an update prompt appears, install it, as this can resolve issues with network compatibility. Next, remove and reinsert SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to carefully remove the SIM card. Check for any dust or damage and reinsert it. Make sure it's securely placed in the tray before sliding it back in. A properly seated SIM is crucial for recognition. Next, enable airplane mode. Then wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. This can refresh your phone's connection to the network. If still issue persists, head towards the option General. Scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now select the option Reset Network Settings, enter your phone's passcode and go through the process. Sometimes Apple releases follow-up updates to fix initial software bugs. To check that, head back. Navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. These steps should help your iPhone recognize the SIM card again. If the issue continues, reach out to your carrier or visit an Apple store for further assistance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.